Welcome to the SNN Baking Challenge. Today, we're going to bake a 3-tiered cake. And tomorrow, we'll be decorating it. We have 3 hours to complete our challenge. Again, to bake the 3-tiered cake. And then day 2 is to decorate it. Whatever time we have remaining after today, we will be using for the decorations. So, I will get our timer started. And it will start now. Alright, to start we're going to make our base layer, which is going to be carrot cake. Natalie, can you get the flour, sugar, baking soda, baking teaspoon, cloves, nutmeg, and allspice and salt. We'll need to add all those ingredients to our mixing
Here's
pan.
the flour.
First, we're going to start with adding our dry ingredients into a bowl. I'm going to start with the flour and sugar.
Seasonings you'll need is ground clovers, ground nutmeg, allspices, and cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Adding 1.5 cinnamon.
All the dry ingredients together, and we have all the oil and the eggs together, and we need to beat those on a low speed for a little bit here. We're currently used up 15 minutes of our time, and we don't even have the first cake in the oven, so we really need to get on a pace here and speed things up. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Alright, and I will use the hand mixer to mix them up. Our batter looks pretty good and mixed. Now we got to add the other ingredients. Alright, so we added our carrots and raisins. We also need 1 1/3 cups walnuts. I'm going to chop them up in the food processor. And then we need some crushed pineapple, so we'll be getting those added. Alright, so we got everything else added to our carrot cake. Carrots, raisins, walnuts, and some crushed pineapple. So we're going to get this stirred together. I got the oven preheated to 350. And next, Natalie, I need you to get the large cake pans and the parchment paper. And we're going to put parchment paper on the bottom of our cake pans so the cake does not stick to them. Alright, our cake batter is all mixed. Natalie is preparing the pans. While she's doing that, I am going to get our area cleaned up so we can start on cake number 2, which is going to be banana cake or chocolate cake. Which one next?
Banana!
We're going to do the banana cake next. So we'll start getting that one ready, and we'll get the carrot cake in the oven. We have 2 hours and 37 minutes left.
35, and we're just about to get the first cake from the oven. So we have our carrot cake batter all mixed up, so I'm going to pour it in the 2 pans Natalie prepared with parchment paper on the bottom. We're also going to make 4 cupcakes. I don't know if we'll make 4 cupcakes because we might not have enough batter for that. Maybe 4, maybe 2. So we're using 10-inch cake pans for our bottom layer for the carrot cake. Get the cake spread out evenly here. The oven is preheated at 350. We want our layers to be even, so we gotta have about the same amount of batter in each cake pan. While Natalie is waiting, she could get the 2 bananas and put them in the food processor. Yep, they're brown with super ripe bananas, so that should help our cake have a really good flavor. That means we have a lot of sugar. And they are in the fridge too, so that's part of it.
Alright, so I made 2 carrot cake cupcakes so we can try to make sure that our cake is good before we decorate it. I sure hope it's good because we're not going to have time to make any additional cake. Alright, luckily the carrot cake was also the most difficult cake for us to make. So, got it done first. So hopefully that will help us with our time going forward. Alright, we got that ready. Here is our 2 cakes. 1, 2, got about even in the pan. So we're gonna get those in the oven and then get started on the carrot, on the...
Have the 2 bananas in the food processor. I can't say it.
Getting our banana cake ready. We have 2 bananas and then we're adding 2 tablespoons of sour cream to get started.
So we have the 2 sour creams in of a tablespoon. We have 2 tablespoons in the food processor with the bananas.
Just throw that in the stick. These cracking eggs, I'm adding the lemon zest. I'm not measuring 2 teaspoons. I just have 1 lemon, so I'm guessing that will be pretty close to what we need. Natalie made it a mess. So we'll wash the hands and then grab the cloth and wipe the egg from the counter. For the banana cake's gonna be the top layer of our cake, so they're gonna be 2 6-inch cakes.
I did it perfect. There's no
There's
white stuff.
there's no shells in it.
Nope.
All right, so you can dump those in here, and then go grab the vanilla.
We have it in.
Yep, and then
Now we're gonna go get the vanilla
and we'll add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla.
because
All right, my lemon is all zested. So I'm gonna save this and use it for something else.
Which one is it?
1.5.
So 1, 2.
That's a half. And here's a 1. So. So we have our dry ingredients in our stand mixer. So we're gonna mix this for 30 seconds and then we'll start adding the other ingredients. We have our banana cake batter mixing for about 1.5 minutes, and then we're gonna pause it and add the other half of the banana for 20 seconds and then the remaining for the last 20 seconds. That should give it a really good banana flavor. Natalie's getting the pans ready, and then we'll get this one in the oven too. That banana cake, we'll put it in our 2 pans and 2 muffins, so we make sure we have some to try. All right, we got our 2 banana cakes ready to go and 2 muffins, so we can try it. So we're gonna get those in the oven, and then we'll get started on the next cake.
The cakes in the oven.
Cupcake look good. Oh, hot. Got our banana cakes in the oven. Carrot cake's still baking. Now we're gonna move on to our
chocolate cake.
So I have water on the stove so we can melt 3 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. So could you grab the unsweetened chocolate, and then we'll start getting everything else together.
For the chocolate, we're using Baker's, and it looks like this. And we're gonna melt it
Over the stove.
over the stove. That hurt. It's very hard to break. Here lies the magical
We need a
sour cream.
it'll probably be all of it, and then we might need a little bit of yogurt.
Eggs. See, watch me do it. Okay, so the first one's not always the best. Ah! But the second one is always the best.
Our chocolate is almost melted, and I'm going to
I
set
lied.
my cake in the oven.
I made a mess.
Alright. Our carrot cakes are done.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it. Alright, our carrot cakes are done. The toothpick came out clean. I'm going to put them on some racks to cool for 10 minutes, and then we'll flip them out.
There's some eggs in them, so I'm gonna use this to get the little ones out. I can't get them out. You're gonna have to do it. But I guess I did. I got one very good. And the chocolate is all melted. Our carrot cake cakes are done. What we have 1 hour, 58 minutes, and 29 seconds.
We got our chocolate cakes ready. I'm gonna pour these in, and then we also need to get the 2 cupcakes for the cupcakes.
You guys also be voting on Facebook for how we're gonna decorate our cakes.
Yep, so we're gonna let them cool overnight, and we'll restart our time tomorrow once.
To decorate them, and then my grandma and grandpa will be judging them and choose which one they like the most. They're flipping over the cakes
So the first thing I'm doing is loosening it up around the edges
with a knife.
with the knife so that it comes out nice.
So this is the result of the carrot cakes.
Alright, so a little trick I like to do is to go like that and then flip it over. So here we go. Oh, there we go. It came out perfectly. Let's see what it looks like. Perfect. Look at that. There's just a little piece of stuff. We'll peel the parchment paper off in a little bit. All right, all of our cakes are done, and we have 1 hour and 48 minutes left for decorating tomorrow. Wish us luck.